Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate some features of Spectral. Um, Let me choose the font, let's say Courier Bold 12, and I'll also change the highlighter. So I chose the yellow highlighter, and let's say I want to change the type, the font and color of this line. And now I'll use some of the VI commands that can be used here. So I press Escape, which takes me to the command interpreter, and then I say YY, which is to copy a line. And now let's say I come to this line and I'll paste the copied line. So I press escape and I press P, and that copies the line along with its highlighting and font. And next, let's say we want to delete the line that we just added. So I'll go to that line and press DD. DD is the command for deleting a line. If we were to delete two lines, then just like VI editor, you can type 2YY. Sorry, did I say delete? So I'd have to do 2DD, not 2YY. 2YY would copy the two lines. So I'd say 2DD. So that deleted those two lines. Now if you want to place those deleted lines right after that yellow line, so I'd have to type P, and those two lines are back. Previously those were before the yellow line, now those are after the yellow line. Similarly, you can copy a word using the VI command YW. So let's say I want to copy this word. I press YW. That copied this word. Now I can paste it here by pressing P, and that just copied that word. And if the word had some highlighting in it, the highlighting will also be a part of the copied thing. So if I do YW here, so that would not only copy the word but also the fact that it had a green background. So if I place it here, if I paste it here, so what I'll get is not just the word but also its background and font and whatever else was there. Let's say we want to find the word visited. Yeah, so you can see some instances here. So similar to VI, we go to the command mode and say visited slash visited. That is, slash is what says that you're finding the word. So visited and enter. So that highlighted all the instances and also shows this result screen on which you can click and see which lines there are, what are the instances of the word visited, and so on. So these are like hyperlinks on which you can click and see the instances. Now let's say you want to replace something. So there is a UI widget for doing that, but let's say you want to do it in the VI way. This is a bit different from what VI supports, syntactically at least. In VI, you separate the pattern and the replacement text using slash, but in this case, it's a bit different. I'll show you how. So you go to command mode, then say you are replacing for the whole file. Let's say you want to replace, that is substitute. What That's what the S stands for, and then your target text and the replacement text. So let's say I want to replace visited by completed. And I press enter. And that tells me that there were four replacements. It also highlights the places where the replacement was done. If you want to go to a particular line, you can just go to the command mode and say, let's say you want to go to line number 200. So you type 200, enter, and that will take you to line number 200. So you want to go to line number 500, go to here and say 500. That brings you to 500. This is very similar to what you have in VI.